Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing a July favorites video. So I have everything laid out in front of me. I have about 3 or 4 categories of products. So some of it's makeup, some of it's skincare, and some of it's other miscellaneous items. So I think I'm going to start with hair. I'm going to start with hair anyway. So I just have everything in this little container here, just so I can have everything organized. The first thing, so all of the hair products are from Briogeo. Briogeo is literally my new favorite hair care brand. I absolutely love it. So the first product that I have is the Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal and Biotin Dry Shampoo. I love this. This is so nice. I use this in between hair washes and it's just amazing. And I really like the smell. And then another scalp product is the Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal plus Tea Tree Scalp Treatment. I love this, and I definitely noticed, like, from Ali Glines. I found this hair brand from Ali Glines, and she uses this, and she said it helps promote hair growth, and I definitely see a difference in my hair length from this. And I absolutely love it. It's amazing. This one is such a great product. And I have 3 kind of like charcoal-y type of products. Here's another charcoal one. This is another Ali Glines kind of like recommendation thing that she uses that I tried too, and I absolutely love it. I'm almost out of it, and it's just amazing. Well, all of it's to the cider now since I had it in the tub, or in this basket. This is the Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal plus Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. I love using this when I use my dry shampoo. It's amazing. Or if I use like hairspray and other just like product buildup in my hair, I use this, and it's just amazing for that. And then after this, actually, I go in with the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I love this one. I am pretty much out of it. I used the last little bit of it last night, and it's just amazing. Okay, for the hair products, I love the Briogeo Superfoods Kale and Apple Replenishing Shampoo and Conditioner. I love the shampoo and conditioner. It's amazing. And I like how it looks like that, like, you know, like the Naked Juice bottles, and it looks exactly like that, and I think that is so cute. It's just amazing. I have everything linked down below, and all the products that I talk about, I just need to get one. Next, I do want to save this for last, but I think I'm going to have to do it right now because I just have everything organized in it, and I think this bag is just unbelievable. It's amazing. So throughout the month of July, I have maybe used it once this in July, but I've never, I mean, I didn't use it constantly, but I love this product. So this is the Ali Glines Pink Full Bag Collection. I was going to get maybe like just the everyday bag. Instead, I wanted to get the entire collection. It's just amazing. Like I said, I do have everything, all the products that I'm going to be talking about, organized in this little thing here. So, okay, I guess let's do skincare. For skincare, I have pretty much one brand that I'm going to be talking about. There's another brand that I am going to mention as well, but I use this skincare brand all the time. So the first thing I want to talk about is this headband and these little like wrist thingies. Before I used like a scrunchie to like if I'm wearing like long sleeves and I'm washing my face, I don't want to get my sleeves wet. So I put these on my wrists like this. They're still a little wet since I used them last night. And I put them on my wrist like this, and then I put this on and my sleeves won't even get wet. I do actually also put these on when I don't have long sleeves on, just so I don't get my arms wet as well. And I really, really like this set. It's amazing. I do have also a link to these down in the description, but they're a different color. But I do really like these. They're amazing. Because I couldn't find this actual color on Amazon. I just found a different one, but it's pretty much the same style. Okay, next we have actually a newer-ish product to me. This is the Jafra Gold Dynamics Recover Skin Boosting Moisture Sunscreen Moisturizer, and I absolutely love this one. I maybe used it twice already, and I fell in love with it. I did try, okay, don't be mad at me, I know, but I did try the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. I feel like this is better than that. I just love this stuff. It's pretty much the same thing. But they're pretty much both really expensive though. I like this better. It's just so good. Okay, I mentioned this skincare brand on my channel before, and I just love the skincare brand. It's amazing. The ITK skincare brand. I have a lot of products from this brand. This brand is from actually here on YouTube. They're Brooklyn and Bailey on YouTube. The brand is actually called Stay ITK, but I absolutely love this brand, this skincare line. It's amazing. I use it all the time. I'm still waiting on the eye cream to come in stock at Walmart because I need more eye cream, but I'm currently using a different one. But I do really still like the eye cream too, and I really like this stuff. So the last kind of skincare item is actually still kind of newer to me, and it's a little bit more of a higher end skincare brand or line, I think, or product. I think it is, I'm not sure. This is the Glow Recipe Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm, and I love this cleansing balm. It definitely reminds me of the Youth of the People one, but I kind of like this smell better than the other one. You can see I dived into it a lot. I love this cleansing balm. It's really nice. Okay, so that was all of the skincare stuff. I'm actually going to save makeup for last because that's pretty much what I want to talk about. Yeah, saving the best for last, actually. Okay, now we're gonna go to miscellaneous items. So I had on my makeup shelves, I had this like little whiteboard that I wanted to either like write down what products I need to buy or the YouTube video that I need to be working on. And I wanted a better solution or a better whiteboard, and I found this one at Target, and I absolutely love it. So I have all of my videos that I'm going to be working on right now. It's just a circle whiteboard. It kind of has a marbly whiteboard, and then it has a it has a marker that it comes with, and it has a little magnet here, and here's where you can like put the marker, which I think is super cool. And you can hang it on the wall, obviously, and I just have it right next to my computer so I can have an idea of what, like, on the bottom, here's my filming schedule, and then on the top is where I keep all the videos, current videos that I'm working on. So I love this to have for my videos. Like I said, this is more of like a miscellaneous category. There's only 3 products, but I just want to mention them because they're just amazing. So this next item, I have seen at Sephora for a while, and I kind of really wanted to get it, but like I had another hand sanitizer before, and I was like, maybe I should use that hand sanitizer up and then get this one, and I did. This is the Touchland Glow Mist Rejuvenating Hand Sanitizer. I love this. This is just amazing. It smells so good, and I love the color. It's so pretty. The next thing is the Olive and June Press on Nails, the Instant Mani. I've showed this on my channel before, I think. I'm not sure. I love this. This is amazing. I do kind of prefer these now rather than the Kiss Press on Nails, but I do have a pair that I'm going to be using in a couple months. So, but I do really like this as well. Okay, now we're going to go into the makeup. Okay, first thing is the e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder. And I do have the Halo Glow liquid filter, and I wanted to try this one out, and it's just amazing. I love like putting it under the eye and the T-zone. It's just amazing. Next, we have the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Tinted Moisturizer. This one is Fair 4N. I love this. This is amazing. I do kind of like the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue just a little bit more, or better, but this one is good too. I like this one for like an everyday look. With the Bare Minerals one, I like to use that one when I want a little bit more coverage. This one does give coverage, but not a lot. I do really like this one. Okay, next is probably my favorite lashes. I did get these for my birthday, and I want to mention them in this video because these lashes are so natural, and I think they do look like lash extensions. In my opinion, they do. They're just amazing. These are the Ardell faux mink lashes in 815. I don't think I've seen anyone on YouTube mention this style or this number. These lashes are beautiful. I love them. I do need to clean them. They're a little dirty, I know, but I do really love these. These are just great. Next, I'm actually going to be doing a video on these two primers specifically, but I just wanted to show these in this video because I love these. These are amazing. So the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer and the e.l.f. Liquid Poreless Putty Primer. I love these two. I tried this one first and I really liked it. And then when I saw this launched, I was like, yay! Like I saw a bunch of people doing on it, testing it and reviewing it on YouTube. Oh my! And everybody liked it, and I wanted to try it. And I finally found it at Target, and I got my hands on it. It's amazing. It's amazing. It's so good. Okay, that's all like the makeup. Now we're gonna go into make tools. So I did kind of want to mention, I guess it's 2 items. So this is another thing. I don't remember if it came in the collection or if I got it separately. I think I got it separately. So this is the Ali Glines tool bag or brush bag. And I wanted to show it in its prime or show it in its best. So I put my all-time favorite brushes in the brush bag. But I do have to say this about these brushes. I didn't get the full collection. I got the eye set separately, and then I got the face brush set like months after I got the eye brush set because I just fell in love with the eye brushes and I wanted to get the face brushes as well. That's why I don't have the Beauty Blender in here. I wanted to mention that. So let's open it. So these are the Morphe and Ariel brushes. You guys, these brushes are literally amazing. I'm just going to pull some out and just show you my favorite ones. So this first one, this is the A11 brush. I love to use this one just to apply shadow in the crease. It's amazing. Sometimes I do use it just for blending. Sometimes I use it for putting a shadow in the crease. And then where is it? Okay, this one I don't use as often in the crease, but I do sometimes do it like I did it today. This is the 815 brush. I do like this one too. And then I've never had kind of like, this one's for like contouring or bronzing or cream bronzer. I've never had something like this and I love it. It's so good. And I used it today for like blending in the contour area and the bronzer. This is the A15 brush. Loved it. And again, with this one, I've never had a bronzer brush. This is the A21 brush, and I love it. I do use it for bronzer, and I also use it for setting the entire face. And it's just amazing. And all of these brushes are so soft, which I love. They're just amazing. This one, I love. I love to use it in the outer corner and kind of like blending it into the crease slightly. It's amazing. This one is an A20. Okay, this one I loved because it's A14. I love to set the under eyes with this brush. This brush is amazing. Okay, and then I think this brush is my favorite brush out of the entire collection. This is the A22 brush. It's for cream blush. I love to use it for cream blush. I do sometimes use it for powder, but not often, and I just love it. It's amazing. So those were some of my favorite, they're all my favorite brushes, but I just wanted to mention a few of them because these brushes are unbelievable. So that was all of my favorite beauty and products. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!